Hello yogis and yoginis, this is Pav and welcome to this beautiful island of Maldives. Today we start in seating position, so find your comfortable seating position with crossed legs. Sit up straight, open your chest and close your eyes. Place your right hand onto your chest and left hand onto your belly and just feel your breath coming from the belly through the chest, coming out and in through the nose. Just focus on your breath and let everything else go away. There's nothing else but you and your breath. Keep breathing the whole time during the class. Open your eyes slowly, release your hands, place your right hand on top of the left knee and reach your left arm to the sky. Look towards your hand and bend to the right side. Keep your chest open, keep breathing. Feel the side stretch in your left side body. Come back. Keep your hand onto your knee and place your left hand behind you. Twist from your upper back and look over your shoulder. As you inhale and exhale, twist a little bit deeper and come back. Now place your left hand onto your right knee and reach your right arm to the sky. Take a side bend to the left side. Your chest is open. Look to the sky. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch. Fingers are full of life. And come back slowly back. Place your right hand behind you. And twist. Look over your shoulders. And as you exhale, twist a little bit deeper and come back. Place your hands on your knees and we will do some circles. Now make small circles just with your chest to activate the thoracic spine and then change the direction. Beautiful. Let's make bigger circles starting to the right side. So move the whole torso over your knees, around the spine, arch. You can exaggerate as it feels good. Let's do last one and change the left side, so round. Listen to your body, do what feels good. Arch and round. Let's take one more. And come back to neutral. Last thing with spine. Arch the spine as you come forward. And round. This is like a seating cat and cow position. But in seating position. As you round your spine, suck your belly in. As you arch, look to the sky. And round. Arch last time. And come back to neutral. Roll your shoulders. Take a side stretch with your head. You can use your hand. Change the side. Beautiful. Let's come onto our all fours. Tuck the toes and let's find downward facing dog slowly. So lift your knees from the ground. Keep your arms straight. Your back is straight as well. Keep your legs bent and then start to paddle out your legs one by one. You can keep them bent on, straighten them to the mat. As you inhale, lift your right leg up, bend the knee and make a circles. One direction and then the other. Extend the leg, look between your hands, send the knee towards your chest, step between your hands, lift your chest and arms up. Your front knee is bent, your back leg is straight, and try to press with your heel towards the ground. Look up, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, sink a little bit deeper. Inhale, and as you exhale, look up and find a small back bend. Keep your balance. Come back to neutral. Inhale, and as you exhale, open your body to the left side, open your arms and make them parallel to the ground. Place your heel to the ground, find a warrior two. So your shoulders are above your hips, your arms are straight, bend the knee, 90-degree angle. Make sure you tuck the pelvis so you don't arch like this. Single one more time, a little bit deeper. Inhale, flip your palms up and reach your right hand over your head. Find a reverse warrior. Your front knee is still bent. Keep your leg as they are. Just move your body front and wave your arms like a tree or like a wind. Come back for a warrior, reverse warrior. And move to the front. As you come back to reverse warrior, extend your front knee, bend the left knee, find a Skandasana. Come as low as you can, sink deeper, and come back to warrior two. One more time, Skandasana. Warrior two, let's wake up those hips. Skandasana one more time. And now, as you transfer your weight to the front leg, extend your right arm like a flying warrior. Lift your left foot from the ground, extend your left arm. Find flying warrior, find your balance. Beautiful. Slowly bend your knee, step back into your high lunge. Inhale, and as you exhale, reach your right arm behind you and find a twist. Look over your shoulder, sink a little bit deeper, twist a little bit deeper. Your eyes follow the fingers. Inhale, and as you exhale, place your hands on the ground. Step back into plank pose. Hello! Cat yoga. Let's stay in a plank pose. We will do chaturanga, so you can stay here or drop the knees if it's too hard. Shift forward as you inhale, and as you exhale, find chaturanga. Untuck the toes. Lift your chest, shoulders away from your ears. Upper facing dog or cobra. Inhale, exhale. Lift your hips up to the sky for downward facing dog. Hello again. Paddle out your legs. Now lift your left heel to the sky, bend your knee and circle the hips. Change the side. Extend the leg, look between your hands, send your knee to your chest and slowly and gently step between your hands. Hello. Lift your torso up, reach your arms to the sky, bend the front knee and try to press your back heel to the ground So you feel this amazing stretch in your hip flexors. Look up. And as you inhale, reach your arms back, find a simple back bend. Come back and open your arms for warrior two. Place your heel to the ground, sink your hips deeper, tuck your pelvis, shoulders above the hips. Take one more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, flip your palms up. Exhale, reach your arm over your head, reverse warrior. Inhale and exhale, change the arms as a wave, move forward. Your legs don't move, just your upper body and your arms. So look up, find this stretch, move forward. And now as you exhale, slowly extend the left leg and bend the right leg. Come into your Skandasana. Inhale and exhale, warrior two. Inhale, Skandasana. And warrior two. Skandasana. And now you know what's coming. So transfer your weight into your front leg, extend your left arm and slowly lift your back leg from the ground. Find flying warrior. Hold here for 3, 2, 1 and step back into crescent pose. Reach your arms up. Bend the front knee, extend the back leg. And inhale, as you exhale, rotate your torso to the left side. Look over your shoulders. Your eyes follows the fingers. Stay here. Take a breath in and out. And as you exhale, place your hands to the ground and find a plank pose. For me it's very hard today. She knows we have same colors, we are matching, so she wants to do yoga with me. So stay here or place your knees on the ground. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, bend your knees, bend your elbows, untuck the toes, lift up. Try to press your upper body to the front. And as you exhale, send your hips up to the sky for down facing dog. Paddle out your legs last time and then find still position. Take deep inhale and exhale. Look to the front and step or jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Place your hands onto your shins. Exhale, fall forward. As you inhale, bend your knees. Keep them bent and lift your arms up to the sky. Find the chair pose. Sink your hips a little bit deeper. Now come onto your tippy toes. Inhale. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release and fall forward. Grab your opposite elbow. Just hang here and move from side to side. Transfer your weight into your toes, so not in your heels. Inhale, bend your knees again. Let's do chair pose one more time. Sink your hips deeper. Come on to your tippy toes. So let's activate those feet. Stay for 1, 2, 3, and release. And come slowly, slowly down. Sit on your mat. Hello, cat. And lift, open your chest and lift your legs. You can keep your knees bent or you can straighten them if you want to challenge yourself, but this is completely okay. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. Now slowly come all the way down into your half boat. She doesn't mind it, I guess. And come back again. Let's do it one more time. Slowly down. Keep your core engaged. And up. Slowly, slowly down. And up. Last hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release slowly, slowly all the way onto the mat. Bring your bring your knees into your chest and move from side to side. Roll yourself up. We stay on the ground. Just extend your legs in front of you. Point the toes. Reach your arms up. Now flex the toes. Look to the sky. Reach up, 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 up as much as you can and keep this straight spine as you lower. So let's slowly lower towards the feet. And wherever you are, just fall down. So you don't need to grab the toes. You can stay just here. Try to keep your spine a little bit straight. You can grab your feet and just breathe here. You can also relax your head to the ground. Feel your hamstrings. And release. Lie onto your back. Can you move a little bit? Now bend your knees. We will do some nice stretch for the spine. So place your knees onto your side and make circles. So if you have your knees onto the left side, make circles with the right arm like this. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch in your spine. Let's change the side. So keep your arms as they are. Just lift your knees and place them to the right side. And now make circles with the left arm. Keep breathing. Let's do one more. Nice. Come to your back. Bend your knees. And let's find happy baby. So grab your feet and press your feet into your hands. Move from side to side. And slowly relax. Find your Shavasana. Feel free to stay here and relax as long as it serves you. Otherwise, move to the right side and come back slowly back into your seating position. Thank you for joining me in this class. I hope you enjoyed it as much as this cat did, apparently. And I hope to see you next time. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so other people might join as well. Namaste.